Still on energy conservation, a Thai newscast did this. Watch.
Can see that the government is encouraging the public to save energy. In many areas, especially on the civil servant sides, they've been asked to work from home now. Many places have also adjusted their air conditioning temperature to 26 or 27 degrees Celsius, using fans and opening windows instead. At this time, we are experiencing the weather of almost 40 degrees Celsius. Therefore, there has been a follow-up measure where men who usually wear suits and neckties to work are allowed to take off their suits. Our viewers may be asking, what about you three? You're still wearing suits. So, should we take it off or not? Let's take it off and follow the measures. Let's just take it off so we can set an example of how to save energy too. By wearing less clothing, it can help with our moods and the coping with the weather. Some people who are addicted to cool air conditioners, well, now you don't have to.
Maganda habang tinatanggal yun, may background music.
Ano yung background music?
Da-da-da-da-dan.
Pero syempre, nako, sila lang ba? Syempre, tayo rin. Diba?
Ba't tayo gagaya sa kanila?
Take it off, sabi. Take it
Take it off! Take it off!
Hindi, pero
Take
sige,
it off.
kasi nakakatulong talaga sa ano.
Kaya nga, gayahin.
Ikaw din ba?
Oo ba?
Ayan. Sige. Nako, sumabit pa yung aking wait lang.
Dapat yung paghagis, hindi yan sinasabit sa likod ng dapat hinahagis mo yan sa harap ng camera.
Ganun ba yun?
Oo,
Mamaya yun
parang
pag-extra. Aba, muntikan pa. Sige, ako sa side.
Wala doon yung mikropono ko. Mabuti na lang, di ba? Okay.
Pero,
Ito na ba yun? We're letting you in on another fact. Alam nyo ba, ang Signal TV ay kasama nyo rin o kasama rin sa kampanya na para mag-conserve ng energy. So, FYI, all Fridays, dress down ang employees. Dress down, hindi dressing down. And all Wednesdays, tulad ngayon, work from home setup ang lahat except for us. Siyempre, mga naghahatid ng balita. Pero madali naman kami kausap. Papatunayan yan sa atin ng ating partner na si Tita Denise Tan. Ano bang gagawin? Pampataas ng ratings ba ito?
I'll go outside and show you guys our offices. Kasi nga, di ba sinasabi natin, ito papakita ko na lang sa inyo para mas maintindihan nyo.
Ayan.
Wait lang. Mag-walk through tayo sa office namin. So inside the studio, pakita muna natin si Lord. Hi, Lord. Ayan.
Hello,
Ayaw ni
weekend.
Lord. So, papakita natin yung studio that nobody is here. Patay po yung air conditioning, patay yung ilaw. Ay, there. Pakita natin ang ating staff, the prod. Hello. All the offices are vacant right now. Wala pong tao. Again, patay ang ilaw in observation of not consuming, but conserving energy. So every Wednesday, ganito na po, patay na po yung mga ilaw, patay na air conditioning, work from home setup muna ang lahat ng tao dito sa office. And on Fridays again, naka-dress down po tayo. Oh, teka lang!
Lalagay ko dapat sa supo to eh.
Bakit May...
Akala ko hindi ka pa babalik agad. Papabalot ko sana.
Teka lang, nagkakalamangan tayo Okay.
Ay, sorry tayo. Wala kang tilapia mamaya.
So yun yung setup natin. Okay. Again, Signal TV is all in with these energy-saving measures as the nation faces an oil crisis. Yun nga, katulad na nasabi ko kanina, work from home setup na every Wednesday, at least for us. And actually lahat, yung mga offices, parang once a day or every Wednesday nga ba, work from home. Dress down for employees para makatulong sa weather.
Shuttle services din.
Oo. Ayun yan ang pinaka talaga kasi bawas gastos din for employees. Yun, walang ilaw, walang air conditioning in most areas of the office. Syempre, in certain cases, may kailangan i-maintain.
Yes.
Pero tulong-tulong po tayo sa ating pag-conserve ng enerhiya.